Water and air are two essential things on which our whole life depends. Everyone on the earth is entitled to clean air to breathe, water to drink, but pollution created a big problem. Good morning to all present here. December 2 is observed as National Pollution Control Day every year in order to give the honor and to memorialize the thousands of people who had lost their existence because of the Bhopal gas tragedy that occurred on this day in the year 1984. Today is the 36th anniversary of Bhopal gas tragedy, the world's worst industrial disaster that occurred after a highly toxic methyl isocyanate gas made its way into and around the area situated near the Union Carbide India Limited pesticide plant in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. The aim of this day is raising awareness about the increasing air pollution and educating people about how to control and manage industrial disasters. It is tough to maintain the level of pollution, but one can control it through plannings. It is important for us to cultivate a better attitude towards reducing pollution from the environment by using various ways, and to focus on decreasing the pollution for making a better world free of pollution. To control pollution, we can take various steps at home, at work, everywhere. And if we do not take it seriously or it is not controlled, by 2030, the air will become so poisonous that it will be necessary to use an oxygen kit to breathe easily. If we collectively do efforts by using eco-friendly practices, it will solve the environmental challenges we are facing. The environment is our treasure, which we must maintain with the greatest care. So let us all contribute to control environmental pollution. Start contributing. Every single person contribution will count to make the planet a beautiful place to live. Be a helping hand and protect your environment. Thank you. Have a nice day.